Welcome back to Million Dollar Monday 2023 edition. Miss Daisy and I are ready to get going for this new year, and we're going to start off with our home base of Malibu. So let's not waste any time. Let's get to the numbers. Now, as I always do, I have to explain that Malibu is 21 miles long and about 2.5 miles wide. So it is split by Pacific Coast Highway, Highway 1, the PCH, whatever label you would like to give it. So we have a land side and we have a beach side, and I will break it down for you from there. Now, for the beach side of Malibu, the number of homes that sold for last year were 61 homes, and just 20 more homes sold in 2021. The average days on market came in at 85 days for this past year versus 79 in the previous year. The average price per home went up by $4 million, coming in for this past year at 14.3 versus 10.3 in 2021. The average price per square foot went down just a little bit, coming in this past year at $3,371 versus in year 21, just under $3,500. The average list price to sales price ratio for this past year came in at 89% versus 92% in 2021. For last year, the number of homes sold was 166 compared to 226 in 2021. Interestingly, the days on market for last year versus 2021 are almost the same, 73 this past year and 74 in 21. And just like days on market, the average price for the land side of Malibu is basically flat. Literally, I had to double check. It sat this year at just over 4.7 million, and same for last, just over $400 difference between the 2 years. And once again, average price per square foot, pretty much flat, $1,328 for 2022 and $1,306 for 21. The average list price to sales price for last year, 90% versus 2021 at 94.33. And last but not least, the total sold volume. This will help to give you an idea of the impact of what this past year has been like versus 2021, which was kind of the tail end of the COVID effect. So for 2022, we came in at 1.668 billion in total properties sold versus in 2021, we came in at 1.915 billion. So there you have it, Malibu's update for 2022. Again, for the full detail, go to theexperimentpodcast.com, and I will see you next week where we will travel to the Big Apple to get a report on New York City. Have a great week.